Hi, my name is Matthew Jones, and this is kind of a narration of the infographic that I made a while back. So, this is just showing the correlation between how COVID-19 has affected gun violence and specifically focusing on four major cities. And in this article, it really focused on Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Illinois, New York City, New York, and Baltimore, Maryland. So, based on the unemployment rates caused by COVID and the recent shutdowns of many restaurants and many non-essential businesses, these have put unemployment rates very high. And because of this, more people are they're out in the streets more, they have more free time on their hands, and people are struggling for resources. They're struggling for money to get by, they're struggling to make ends meet, whether that be their rent or their insurance or their mortgage or food or any number of things. So this is really showing how over the past couple years, this study starting in 2018, it shows that as of then, the rates of gun violence have increased in 2018 versus 2020. So in Chicago specifically, in 2018, there were 410 recorded incidents, and in 2020 there were 510 recorded incidents. Now, this isn't a huge change in number, but it's pretty consistent going through, except for Baltimore. That was kind of a smaller sample area, but it really does show how there is a correlation between, as things have become more difficult in society, that these rates have increased.